Oilseed rape is the third largest arable crop in the UK, and the cabbage stem flea beetle is a major challenge for oilseed rape growers. In one of our recent projects funded by Innovate UK, CHAP has completed a feasibility study to find a novel fungal biopesticide for cabbage stem flea beetle, and scientists are pleased with the outcome. The project was a collaborative effort that utilised a range of skills, expertise and capabilities of partner Cabby and two industry leaders, H&T Bioseed and Russell Bio.
Hello, well I'm Dr. Belinda Luke and I've been with Cabbage for over 25 years, mainly working on biopesticides, and we particularly use fungi. So we get fungi from the natural environment, normally from diseased insects, and then in the lab we mass produce it and formulate it with various other experiments to then release it back into the field to kill specific pests. So the farmers have had a big problem with cabbage stem flea beetle since the banning of neonicotinoids. There is pyrethroids, but there has been shown to be resistance to those. So we really needed to find an alternative that the farmers in Europe and across the UK can use.
And a couple of years ago, we found a fungus from a local fungus in the soil, which was in preliminary tests that we did before the actual project, was able to kill the cabbage stem flea beetle. So we got together with the CHAP team and Russell and the guys in New Zealand, H&T, to prepare a plan and a proposal to look at it in more detail. And we secured the resources, the funding to do this.
So we found a isolate, fungal isolate called Isaria that would kill the juveniles in the lab and the adults as well. So with this project, which was a proof of concept, we looked at developing two different formulations. One is a seed treatment, and that is to target the larvae of the cabbage stem flea beetle. So when it hatches out this egg, which is laid in the soil, the fungus will be there surrounding the seed. The insect will pick it up before it goes inside, and then hopefully control the pest. And then also we've developed a foliar application that we spray targeting the adults. Now the adults are normally around June to July time, so we would apply it then, and then they have a summer hibernation and they come out again around about September, and then you would again apply them in the fields to control the adults.
We've coordinated a lot of the research in the labs and in the glasshouses on this. But we've been very lucky collaborating with the CHAP team, because I think two things really. They bring scientific expertise to this. So we were not just dealing with people who could look after the running of your project. We were dealing with some sort of high-end, high pedigree scientists as well in the CHAP team that we could bounce ideas off, we could sit down and talk through the science, plan the next steps, the next few months of trials, and it was great and invaluable to the research of the project. And yeah, we were lucky because the other side is the management of the whole thing. It's a lot of work getting the research done. It's a whole different thing to liaise with the donor, the research councils, and also the people actually funding the work, but also with the stakeholders, the growers out there, the grower groups who are interested in what you're doing, the farmers who would like to know how it's going. And
biopesticides are in demand to protect crops from pests and diseases, and to date, there are no fungal biopesticide products registered in Europe for the control of cabbage stem flea beetle. The outcomes of the project have shown very promising results so far. Further studies will test the potential of the fungus at field level, a critical step in developing the biopesticide to help fight cabbage stem flea beetle in an environmentally sympathetic way.